Hi everyone. So I'm about 2.5 weeks away from my wedding, and so I'm kind of violating some of my own rules. My biggest rule is no procedures about a month out from the wedding, because if you have a bruise or something like that, we don't need brides stressing over additional unnecessary things. So I want everybody to try to get their procedures done about a month out from their wedding. I have been very busy and I haven't had enough time to get everything done that I want to get done. So here I am, 2.5 weeks out, and I'm going to do a little bit more Botox. But today I'm going to do Botox in my neck, because you can see when I make these facial expressions that I have these bands that come down on my neck. And what they effectively do is they make me jowly. And they also just take away from the definition from my jaw. So I'm going to Botox these bands. This is the platysma, these muscles in the neck that cause these bands. It's a platysma, it's a muscle that attaches to the skin of the cheek and goes all the way like a sheet, like a blanket, all the way down to the décolleté. And when it contracts, it can shorten your neck. And so by Botoxing it, it actually kind of has an effect of lengthening of the neck and sharpening the jawline. And we actually call this the Nefertiti lift. I don't know who coined that term, but Queen Nefertiti is known for her beautiful neck. And so here we go, little Botox in the bands. You can see I'm stronger on this side than this side. I don't know if you can see that in the mirror. So I'm going to do a little bit on both sides, but a little bit more on this side. And because it is a facial expression muscle, you can see I'm kind of making some faces to really see where I need to go with my injections. And I'm thickest right here, so I like to really try to work on those. And then, of course, I really want to be nice and slender here as well. And of course, I'm always trying to avoid the blood vessels in the neck because that causes a bruise, but I'm probably gonna have a little bit of a bruise right there. I think my wedding series has been all about the neck, because I am over the age of 40 now. It just seems that at the age of 40, sometimes women start to have issues with their neck more than they did. And the neck is really, it's like kind of unforgiving, because it's a little bit difficult to correct the neck. It's a lot more difficult to correct the neck than it is to correct the face. So the wrinkles in the face, we have a lot of things that we can do. But the neck, it's really hard because the skin is really fragile, so it can't really take a lot of intensive treatments. It just takes a lot of really gentle treatments. So preventing the wrinkles in the first place is really important in the neck. All right, there it goes. You saw it. Stay tuned. We're gonna post this next week with my before and afters.